guys, today we've got another parcel to unbox. Let's just move this back here. I've got my bike in my room at the moment because I've just fitted a new brake. But in here should be a minty, quite mint, 1990s Numatic back. I won it on eBay for not very much money. It was about 30 quid plus postage. 30 quid. I know another collector was bidding on this, so sorry about that, Ryan, but at least it's come to a good home. So, what have we got? So we've got a used tube, 2 bend handles, a brand new bend handle, 2 brand new tubes, brand new hose, a brand new floor tool, brand new crevice tool, dusting brush and adapter, upholstery tool, and yeah, that's it. And here it is, the machine. And oh my god, it is in very, very, very good condition. So let's just put all this bubble wrap into here. So that's nice. The guys included some extra tubes and stuff. And sorry about that interruption. Yeah, that's nice of the guy. He's gave me some tubes spare. And here's the machine. I mean, yeah, that is in very, very good condition, isn't it? I mean, it's still got the original hook and everything on the back. The motor's a little bit rusty, but we can do that. Filter, and we've got one of these horrible bags in here. He hasn't cleaned it or anything, it's just been sold to me as it is. So we'll just leave that as it is. And yeah, I mean, it is pretty mint. I don't even have to wash the filter. I mean, this thing is clean. It is very, very clean. It's a 44th week of 1997. Look at the wheels on it. Look at them. They're just mint. Even the front one's hardly anywhere on this cleaner, really. I did actually sell my other yellow one I had for this. So, shall we plug it in quick? See what it works like. I should be plugging it into the RCD, but if it blows up, it blows up. Yeah, that works nice. That really does work well. And it's all original, apart from the toolkit that I got given with it, which can be just chucked on a Henry to be sold, really. But yeah, I mean, that's a nice collection piece, that. I'll tell you what we're going to do. Let's just go and get some spray. We'll use this stuff. I'm not meant to use this for, well, I can use it for the couvers, but I'm not using it for my bike, so just give it a quick wipe over. I mean, all this white marking will come off on the top, but yeah, I mean, that is mint. That is very, very mint. That is extremely good nick for what I paid for it. The guy did actually have a 2000s basil as well, same as the red one, same as the yellow one, but red. That